Hi friends, welcome to Magic Maths by OPM at Malviya OP. The given question here is, there were some cows, chickens and ducks on a farm. 2x of these were cows, 3 by 5 of the remainder were chickens and the rest were ducks. If the ducks formed 30% of the animals on the farm, how many animals were there altogether on the farm? So let the total number of animals be nx. Alright. So how many are the cows? 1. Cows are 2x. Then comes chickens. And chickens are 3 by 5 of the remainder. So that becomes 3 by 5 n minus x. So which is equal to 3 by 5 n minus 6 by 5 x. So these many are chickens. And the number 3rd, the ducks are 30% of the total animals, that is nx. So it becomes 30 upon 100 nx, that is 3 upon 10 nx. So these 3 types of animals are there. So the total number of animals is equal to cows, chickens plus ducks. So we know all of these, so let us add. So nx becomes, how many cows? 2x. And chickens are 3 by 5 n minus 6 by 5x. And the ducks are 3 by 10 nx. So let's add them. Nx becomes 2x minus 6 by 5x plus 3 by 5 nx plus 3 by 10 nx. So on simplification, what we get here, the LCM is 5, so we get 10x minus 6x, alright, plus here the LCM is 10, so we get 6nx plus 3nx and into x. So now nx becomes 4 upon 5x plus 9nx upon 10. All right. So what is next? Next is nx. Let's bring nx to the other side. 9nx by 10 other side, so it becomes minus 9nx upon 10 is equal to 4 by 5x. So take the LCM here. It will be 10nx minus 9nx is equal to 4 upon 5x. Alright. So what we get here? We get 1nx divided by 10 is equal to 4 by 5x. So nx is 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 5x is equal to 1, this is 2 times 8x. So the total animals are 8 times x. Total number of animals on the farm are 8 times x, and this is your answer for this question. So friends, I hope you like this solution. So please hit the like button and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. That's very important. So please respond by subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you so much, and see you next time.